Yeah. That's amazing. Camp. Pretty cool little camp, but it's the only one. And we got nailed last night. We're at Foster Lake. This is the outlet. Kind of reminds me of Grizzly Lake. It's got the same kind of outlet. The end does. It looks the same. So I'm gonna hike over to Lion Lake. Or I'm just gonna hike up on top. I don't know if I'm gonna hike over to Lion Lake. Looks like it's gonna start raining again. Even though it said it was supposed to be 100% beautiful today. In Lion Lake. So, Lion Lake, that way. So maybe it's right here. Let's go up this way. Ducks. Follow the ducks, or the Karens, whatever you want to call it. Get my exercise first thing in the morning. All right, here we go. Oh, should have brought my sticks. For the reveal. Ooh. Here it is. Foster Lake. Tell you what, man, it was something else last night. And we're camped out right somewhere down in there. Check out my shoes. Look at the bear poop. This is a very popular trail. This is probably about the 10th pile of bear poop I've seen. And didn't see any bears yesterday. Another look at Foster Lake. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's beautiful. You can see the clouds. Doesn't look too bad yet. Look at the reflection of the lake. I'm hiking this way. I don't know if you can see me or not. I can't see myself. I gotta watch what I'm doing because I don't want to fall off the cliff. But that below us is Lion Lake and Conway Lake. And it's, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning, it's starting to rain again. And it rained all last night. Thundered, lightning, hail, 30, 40 mile an hour winds. We were lucky because we were in a bunch of trees. As long as the trees don't fall on you, I guess you're lucky. But, so, I'm gonna hike down today. Down. Yeah, it's down. Down. You think going up is bad? Try going down. Ugh. It's not fun, but it sure is beautiful. There's everything. I don't know what it looks like, but sure is beautiful first thing in the morning. And we're gonna go to the cliff on the other side of our camp, and I'll film that. Or I might climb up to that ridge, I don't know. All right, we'll see you later. Bye. Baxter's down there, and there's Max. And our camp is right down there, buried in the trees. Thank God, if we were exposed last night, I would have been a little freaked out because of the lightning and thunder. It's quite ferocious. Jerry handle. And there's the trail. All the way down, over there, down. Switchbacks from hell. Look at all the trees blown down. That's amazing. Green part right there is Union Lake. I don't know what that flat is. It's pretty cool. And then there's Caribou Mountain right there. See, the sun's coming out right over there. Yeah, walked up that yesterday. Right over the edge. a long way down. I don't know if you guys can see that rainbow, but there's a rainbow. That's what we hiked up here for. Look at that view. No, not even in a movie. We're making a movie right now.
Oh man, that is awesome.
Yeah. That's amazing.